Hey Man with J-Man here at the Santa Ana River. City of Orange, that's the 5 freeway down there. 57 freeway. Anaheim Stadium down there. It's going to be raining tomorrow. Rained yesterday. Got a break in the winds, got a break in the rain. Actually, it's a little windy right now. I'm going to take a look at the river down below. Check out this lonely tree. The only thing left, what is on this now recently dirt lot, used to have a Denny's right there, a Motel 6. They recently tore it out, and I believe they're going to build a brand new hotel. Here's the riverbed. Trespassing, loitering is forbidden by law on the other side of this fence because you can just go this way. Let's take a look. Walking down below under the Chapman Avenue Bridge. What's that say? Now tomorrow is going to be a very, very rainy day here in the city of Orange in Southern California. This will all be probably up to the gray line on that concrete bridge pillar. Just noticed all this bird shit on the rocks under the bridge. Wish I had a flashlight, but pigeons must be living up in there. Oh man, somebody lost their Transformers laptop. There's a cascade coming down the river. Tomorrow, this thing will be bumping with water. Even though it's kind of a rare sight to see water flowing down through here. Traffic on the freeway, traffic on Chapman Avenue. Hustle and bustle. And a cyclist. Didn't even notice him. Here's the other side of the bridge. Got the old Chapman Avenue sign and the more modern Chapman Avenue sign. I predict tomorrow, but I can't be here because I will be at work all day. And I see moisture here, underpass of the Chapman Avenue right here, and I bet you this will be underwater tomorrow. It's supposed to be a big storm coming in. And there's more. Sure wish I had a flashlight with me so I could shine it up in there. There's 2 more holes where the birds hang out. One last look at the Orange County Santa Ana River. Hey Man with J-Man. Like, hit the thumbs up. Subscribe, push the subscribe button. It's free.